Hello everybody. In today's video, I will show you how to make a text fit in a cell size. As you can see, I have here a big text, does a long text uh, that doesn't fit here. So the method to make it fit is by only dragging or resizing the column and the lines. So manually, just to make it like that. But this method cannot be precise and can take many tries. And also I can drag down this row so I can fit with my size or with the text. There is another option is by just double clicking on this arrow, so it will automatically adjust to my text. And if I do the same for here, it will adjust automatically. Or there is an alternative is by clicking on my column and click on Resize Column, and I will just choose Fit to Data, so it will fit exactly to the text. Same goes for the rows. For example, if I go like that, either I can double click to the double arrow cursor, or I can just select my row and right click on it, and I will just click on resize row and fit to data, and it will fit automatically. So this is how to fit your text into your cell. Thank you for watching and goodbye.